How to sell botanical illustration prints on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sell your own products using this platform. So first, let's get started by explaining the platform for you. So guys, Etsy.com is a platform where you can sell your own products or where you can buy the other sellers' products. So as you can see in here, we have a lot of products to buy from, and we have a lot of sellers behind these products making a lot of money. So for example, let's check one of these products. Let's say this one, for example. So in today's video, guys, I'm going to show you how you can create a shop page exactly like this one, how to set the pictures of your product, how to add a video if you have one, how to set the price of the product, how to add the options like the type, the hat type, quantity, and also how to add the item details, and also how to set the shipping and return policies. So let's go back to the main page, which is this one. Then go to your top right, click on the shop manager button. Then you will proceed to setting up your Etsy shop. And in order to do that, you will need to go through 6 steps, as you can see in here. And the first step is the shop preferences. Then comes giving a name to your shop, then stocking your shop. Then you choose how you get paid. You set up the payment processors or the billing. Then you end with the shop security. So let's start from the first step, which is the shop preferences. So here we choose the shop's language, the shop's country, and the shop's currency. So here let's change it from the Moroccan dirham to the United States dollar. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is choosing a name for the shop. So here let's just remove the spaces between words and try to shorten the name. So it seems like it's still long, and so this name is very long. So let's see, let's remove botanical and move the spaces. Then the name is now good, but it's already taken. So you can choose one of these options, or you can just add a number. Then the name will be available. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is stocking your shop. So here you add some photos and details about your item. Fill out what you can for now. You'll be able to edit this later. So before proceeding to adding the photos and details about the item, first let's click on save and continue to see all of the required details that we need, or the required fields that we need to fill in order to proceed to the next step. So the first one is photos. So here you will need at least one photo. Then we have the inventory. Here you will need to enter the price of your product. Then we have the listing details. Here you will need to turn all of these red fields white by filling them with the right information. Then we have the shipping, and the same thing as well. You will need to fill all of these red fields. So let's start from the first one, which is photos. So here add as many as you can so buyers can see every detail. Use up to 10 photos to show your item's most important qualities. And for some tips, use natural light and no flash. Include a common object for scale. Show the item being held, worn, or used. Shoot against a clean, simple background. Add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. Then we have the video. Bring your product to life with a 5 to 15 second video. It could help you drive more sales. The video won't feature sound, so let your product do the talking. And for some quick tips, film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used. Adjust your settings to record high resolution video. Aim for 1080 pixels or higher. Crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions. And if you want to learn how to make videos that sell, you can just click on this link. Then we have the listing details. So here you tell the world all about your item and why they love it. So we start with the title. Include keywords that buyers would use to search for your item. So here, just enter a title for your product. Then you go through these 3 questions. The first one is who made it. You have 3 options to choose from. I did, a member of my shop, or another company or person. Let's go with I did. What is it? A finished product or a supply or tool to make things. Let's go with the finished product. When did you make it? You have 3 categories to choose from. Not yet made, recently, or vintage. Let's go with recently. Then we have the category. So here, just type your product's name and you will have a lot of categories to choose from. So here, I'm using the wall decor category. And here you will have some additional details to fill, like the craft of the product. You can select up to 5 elements, like the 3D printing, beading, calligraphy, carving and whitening, and last, ceramic and pottery. Then we have the primary color, the secondary color, the width. You can choose a unit in here. Height, choose a unit as well. Depth, choose a unit. Sustainability, you can select up to 2. So for example, FSC certified wood and organic cotton. Then for the style, you can choose one in here. Same thing with occasion, same thing with holiday and room. Then we have the renewal options, if you want to choose an automatic or a manual, which is free. And here for the type of the product, here you enter the description for your product. Then you put the price of the product in here. Then you end it with the shipping. You fill all of these required fields. And after the shipping, fill in all of these required fields. Then you have the returns and exchanges, and then you apply the 30 days policy. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.